guys, it's me, Eckhard, and as we all know, today is the awesome Easter. Who doesn't love Easter? Easter is the most delicious time of the year. Literally. So today I'm going to take this opportunity to do an Easter video. Let's get right into it. Before we start doing Eastery things, there is this awesome animal which came out fairly recently, which I absolutely love. Here we have it. I've forgotten the name of the actual horse, but this new horse came out and it looks amazing. I love its actions. Look at its awesome dance. Looks pretty cool when it's sleeping too, although its leg looks a bit uncomfortable, but I'm not a horse. That might look comfortable for a real. I love its little action where it's playing and goes into that little spaceship and then I don't think the aliens liked him. That looks really cool. Then hopping is just the same old hopping, but it still looks really cool. I recommend you guys go and get this animal, and if you get it, make sure you put a comment down below saying if you like it or if you think it's just like another one of those animals. Now, I'm going to start doing some Easter things so I don't just talk about horses for the whole video. Let's go play this awesome Spring Festival adventure. I've played it before last year. I've been playing Anmal Jam for a really long time, and I absolutely love playing the Spring Festival. So practically what you've got to do, you've got to search for some eggs, and if you find a little plant that looks like it needs to be watered, then you water it and you can get a prize. You see a golden egg and you get a little golden prize. Not literally, but it's a golden egg. And yeah, you just gotta search for that. And you can also get a prize by getting the asking amount of eggs, which I'm going to do until I find a plant. Yes, here we are. I found a little plant. You're going to water that, you get a golden egg, and you get awesome prizes like that and that. Now that I've found 15 eggs, I get an adventure reward. Yay, I found 15 eggs. Thank you, Wally. Now, let's move on to something else in Jamal that's very Eastery. Unfortunately, I don't think there is anything else Eastery in Anmal Jam yet anymore, but today is also April Fool's Day. So as soon as I find my craziest animal, it will go straight to the April Fool's party. Okay, here we are. This plan, whatever you want to call it, is really messing with me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to move around here. Okay, so let's see, we have this phantom theme. Pretty cool. Phantoms. It must be our April Fool's masters. Oh look, now we have an ocean theme. Presume this is meant to be in the ocean. And here we are just standing. Here we are. It's in the middle. Oh, I found an April Fool's sail. Am I going to get that? And how am I to get there? Oh, here we are. Little April Fool's sail. Sliced bread sipping upside down ice cream. Macaroni pet house. Isn't this all really cool? Fortunately, I've been spending my gems on Easter things, but otherwise I would have gotten that lamp. That looks really cool. That looks like a tooth. No idea what that is. Looks like a magic carpet. We got them too. Donuts and ice cream. They look awesome. This layout, I'm starting to get the hang of it now, but I don't know how I can get from here to here. This is really messing with me. Yes, so I'm gonna go up here. So we still got a phantom theme. Here we have, so it looks like a, oh, someone was in pie face. Oh, I love that. Dizzy swirls. No glasses. Funny teeth, I need them really bad. My Easter crescent glove hat, that's cool. I like that. So I guess up here we've got like a bamboo theme. Looks really cool. Sorry guys, that's all I have time for today, but I hope you all have an awesome Easter, and I hope you enjoy your chocolate. Oh, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.